Thanks for tuning in. This is Idaka America. We're a automotive industrial supply company. We're also the U.S. distributor for Tone Tools Japan. We offer all of their hand tools, 4 sets in particular that we keep in stock at all times. This happens to be one of them. This is the TGS20 torque grip set. What this is a 7-piece set with Torx grip, Torx bit set, and each one has a specific torque setting on it, ranging from 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.4, 2, 3, and 5 Newton meters. So how this works is you grab the torque setting that you want, attach with this attachment here, choose the Torx bit set that you choose from the Torx bit set the appropriate size that you need, and these come with it. In this little space right here, we have one just for demonstration purposes. Put it in there, and to release it, you can't just pull it out, you won't lose it. To release it, pull back the magnet, it comes right out. This just pulls right out. So anyway, for demonstration purposes, we have a gas burner here with a screw, simple Phillips head on it. So this one is at 0.6 Newton meters. So to let you know, when it gets to 0.6, it'll click or break. So let's say you're tightening it down and you don't want it to go past that torque, oops, my bad, it'll break. See that? It lets me know that that's 0.6 Newton meters. So, and with this set comes a flashlight from Tone, the LT04MGC. It's an 800 lumens LED extendable, retractable, double magnetized flashlight. This side is for the purpose of picking up dropped tools or something like that, or you can attach it to a machine or something metal if you need a light source from above. So all this is available through Idaka America. I'll attach an email address and pricing down below. If you have any questions or comments, we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.